Hey, what's going on, everyone? I hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into workflow stats inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, the ClickFunnels team has gone in and enhanced what is currently there to give you some more information around your leads, the people that are coming into your pipelines. Now, at this point in time, if people were to enter your workflows and maybe they're in a delay stage or, any stage, doesn't matter. It gives you more information around when that contact was actually added to the workflow, what date and time. How crazy is that? Now, this information is a little tucked away. So I want to make sure that you know how to get to it, how to actually find it, and, use it to your advantage. Or just so you are more informed around what is actually happening in your business. Okay, so with that said, let's go and dive into my screen here. I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our QuickStart Blueprint Ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. Alrighty, kicking things off, we are currently inside of a workflow and we want to know a little bit more information around the people that are in it, right? So all we have to do to actually see the stats and see, more details around our workflow is go up here to the top right, click on the little icon that shows a little graph, right? The analytics option there. If we click on that, it should show a little pop-up on the left side of the screen. But more importantly, the main thing that we're after here is going to be this set of numbers right here. Now, there is a is here and there is a were here option. Both of these are going to essentially show you contacts that meet that criteria. As of right now, there is currently somebody here in the pause stage for this workflow. So if I were to click on this side, it will give me more information around that contact. Now, that is us. I did a test here just so I could show you exactly what was happening. But if we take a closer look at the information on the screen, we can see that the contact entered the workflow at 3:26:25. So today at 7:24 p.m., which was about 5 minutes ago. You can see this information for any contact at any stage inside of your workflow just by clicking on the information that is displaying down here beneath that specific step. Now, the main thing this is really useful for is seeing if there is an issue with your workflow. Maybe someone is stuck on like a tagging step inside of your workflow and they need to be pushed to the next step. Well, you can technically do so by clicking on this button right here, and that's it. Maybe you need to actually just remove them from the workflow. You can also do the same thing or do that exact action by clicking on the little button right there, stop run. So this will take them out of the actual workflow, not allowing them to move forward in the sequence. Now, aside from inside of the workflow, we can also see this information inside of a contact profile. So if I were to go to, say, this contact right here, by clicking on it directly, it should bring us to the contact profile in a new tab where we can then go to activity and or marketing. Now, activity is going to show us the most recent activity for this contact, right? There is that. But if we were to go to marketing, we can see the active workflows that they are currently in, whether it's 1 or 20, doesn't matter, it'll show within this area. And we can click on them directly to get more information around what is happening with this workflow. So currently they are in the pause step and they were added today at 7:24. So the exact same information, just in a different location. Okay, that is it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions around anything that we covered today, make sure to let me know down below. Otherwise, if you have any questions around anything in the ClickFunnels ecosystem, let me know down below as well. I'll point you in the right direction wherever I can, as best as I can, and make sure that you are good to go. With that said, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.